I've spent a lot of time in Asana throughout 2025, tasking out everything from content calendars to cross-team workflows. And if you've ever looked for a flexible, clean project manager, it's probably crossed your path. But after using it extensively, I asked myself, does it truly simplify teamwork, or does it introduce unnecessary complexity? Here's my candid breakdown from real everyday use. At its core, Asana is all about helping teams coordinate work from small personal tasks to multi-phase company projects on a visual, versatile platform. It offers basic task lists, Kanban boards, timelines, and workload views, along with templates for workflows like creative briefs, product launches, and team OKRs. In this review, I'll dive into what feels intuitive and empowering, where it may slow you down, its pricing model, and whether it's right for your team in 2025. Asana gets configuration right. You can layer projects, tasks, subtasks, and sections without feeling lost. Setting up workflows is intuitive. You create sections for statuses like to do, in progress, review, and done, and move tasks with drag and drop ease. The timeline view makes understanding dependencies easy. I used it to see who would block whom on tight projects. Workload view offers managers a quick snapshot of team balance and capacity. Super handy for averting burnouts. Native integrations with Slack, Microsoft Teams, and Gmail make task capturing frictionless. The mobile app is slick and fully functional, from task creation to milestone checks, making it easy to stay in sync on the go. When it comes to collaboration, Asana's comment threading, rich feedback, @mentions, and custom fields keep conversations grounded in context. You can also use rules to automate repetitive tasks, like assigning due dates or setting priorities based on triggers, which minimizes manual updates. Asana offers a basic free plan that supports unlimited tasks, projects, and messages, great for individuals or small teams. The premium tier, around $10 per user. The business tier, around $24, unlocks workload view, proofing tools, and integration with tools like Adobe Creative Cloud. At the top, the Enterprise plan adds SAML login, audit logs, and usage insights for large-scale adoption. If you're a small visual team, the free or premium plan delivers strong bang for your buck, but business or enterprise only pay off if you really need those expanded features. Teams rave about Asana's clarity and structure. The blend of list, board, and timeline views makes it easy for visual planners and list lovers alike to stay organized. Automating rote changes with rules frees up time to focus on meaningful work, and integrations mean fewer solo tool jumps. The mobile-first design ensures you're always part of the loop. Feedback often mentions that adoption feels easier than more text-heavy tools like Jira or Trello. Asana feels like a learning curve you can navigate quickly. Complex workflows can make Asana feel adrift. Unlimited subtasks and custom fields sometimes create clutter instead of clarity. Notifications can get noisy if you don't filter or control them effectively. Over time, they can become more distracting than helpful. Asana's advanced reporting tools are limited unless you're on business or enterprise plans. And while powerful, the rules and automation tools often require trial and error to build effectively. If you want built-in time tracking, invoicing, or deep Gantt control, you'll still rely on third-party plugins or workarounds. Asana holds up as a beautifully balanced project manager for teams that want clarity, flexibility, and visual organization without heavy lifting. It's especially powerful for those managing cross-functional work or evolving processes. But if you're after lightweight personal task tracking or highly specialized workflows, it might feel like overkill or lack depth in niche areas. In short, Asana excels at bringing order and awareness to teamwork, but only if you don't let its flexibility become distraction. If this review helped you, hit like, subscribe, and share in the comments. What would your dream workflow tool do perfectly? I'd love to find it with you next time.